Good morning children. I am Miss Rusali and today I am going to teach you from science subject lesson 10. This class is meant for class UKG. So in lesson 10 we are going to learn about weather or season. Weather means changing of the seasons. So you know Mausam. So there are different types of seasons we see. Yes, in a year. So in a year, how many seasons we see? Let us see. So there are here season's name is given. Summer season. Summer season means hot day. We feel very hot. Sun will be very heat. Sun we get. That's why we call summer season. We feel very sweat to our body. So that is summer season we call the hot day. In weather, changing of the weather will be hot day. And next we will see rainy season. Rainy season is rainy day when there is so much cloud, it looks dark and it rains heavily. That's we call rainy day. And what do you like in rainy day? What we use? Rainy day, raincoat and umbrella to protect ourselves from rain. That we should not wet our body. Otherwise, if you wet your body, you will become sick. So to protect our body, we use umbrella or raincoat. So next we will see autumn season. Autumn season when the leaves fall from the trees. That's we call the autumn season. The next one is winter season. Winter season, we feel very cold. Yes, cold day. In weather changes, cold day. So cold day, we get very cold and what we use? We wear sweater, jacket, warm clothes. Yes or no? Cap. So all the warm clothes we wear in winter season. Last one is spring season. Spring season, Basant Ritu in Hindi we call. So that season is everywhere you see greener. Very nice it looks around your house, around us. We see very greener. Whether it looks very greener. Yes. So these are the seasons name of how the season is changes into the weather. So first is we have seen summer season, a hot day. In summer season, what do you like to eat? Do you like to eat hot things? No. You like to eat cold things like cold drink, ice cream. And you like to sit under the fan, under the AC. Yes or no? Without AC, some they cannot sit in a hot place. So children, so today just we are going to read out this summer season's name and the weather how it is changing. Okay. So first we are going to see the summer season. Summer season is spelling S-U-M-M-E-R. Summer. S-E-A-S-O-N. Season. Rainy season. R-A-I-N-Y. Rainy. S-E-A-S-O-N. Season. Rainy season. Autumn season. A-U-T-U-M-N. Autumn. S-E-A-S-O-N. Season. Autumn season. Winter season. W-I-N-T-E-R. Winter. S-E-A-S-O-N. Season. Autumn. Winter season. Spring season. S-P-R-I-N-G. Spring. S-E-A-S-O-N. Season. Spring season. So these are the seasons name. Summer season, rainy season, autumn season, winter season, spring season. According to seasons, the weather it changes. around us. Okay? According to the seasons, the weather is changes. So summer season, obviously we feel a hot day. Yes, we feel very hot. So a hot day. Now we see a cold day. So this comes in winter season. Cold day comes in winter season. And a rainy day it comes in rainy season. So now did you understand? The weather of how it changes according to the season's name. According to the seasons, the weather it changes around us in a year. How the season comes, according to that the weather it changes. Did you understand? So children, now you have to learn the season's name and also you have to learn the weather how it changes. Okay? So children, now you have to learn all the season's name and the weather changes of its name also. Thank you.